Let's see if we can get filled on 7 contracts at 7.55. Now that is what we like to see. Add a little over $1,000 on the day and it's 10 a.m.
I find my needs in 5 places. I ain't never need to leave, huh?
All right, so I just sent out my pre-market watch list to the mentorship group. I send out a list of 4 stocks every morning, 3 to 4 stocks, just depending on what the market presents. And you can see here, RTX, what I'm looking for here is a retracement or a move off of this all-time high at 121.80 back down into the 15-day or 50-day SMA, preferably the 15-day, as we're currently sitting about 1% off this level. So this is what's known as my all-time high pullback setup. Next, AXP, you can see here another all-time high pullback. All-time high is made at 259.09, and I want to see if we can pull back from that all-time high down toward the 15-day EMA. Okay, so same setup here. And then lastly, 3 all-time high pullbacks today. That's been what the market has presented a lot, just kind of based off where we're currently trading as SPY. If we pull up SPY real quick, you can see it's trading very close to an all-time high. So a lot of these stocks are sitting up near all-time highs. Same thing. Okay, we're looking to see 121 obviously is the all-time high, which we're pulling back off of. And then I'm going to be keeping an eye on the 50-day SMA. That's kind of the target there. So that's my pre-market watch list. And then, like I said, I do have 3 positions currently open: ticker symbol ALAB, BX, and GOLD. Now, I wanted to just share my thoughts on day trading versus swing trading. Obviously, these are all swing trades that I'm showing you guys, and I do have a day trading strategy. However, I think over the last couple months, I've really realized that my personality and just what I enjoy is the swing trading. Day trading, even though it works for me, is very high-paced, fast, and very, very stressful compared to swing trading. It's a lot, and like I said, I think I would lean toward recommending, if you're looking to learn how to trade, maybe thinking about swing trading, not just because it's a little slower paced, but also because of the time freedom that comes with it. So for example, it is 9:38. I'm actually done for the morning. I've got alerts already set up, notifications, where essentially my software is going to send me a notification on my phone if a trade comes through. I'll go ahead and enter that, but I don't have to sit here. I don't have to monitor my screen and buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell all day. These 3 positions I'm in, yes, I might get taken out of one of these today. However, more than likely, a lot of these are gonna be held over multiple days or even over a week or 2. And I really just like that because it allows me to go out, enjoy life, and do other things, and just sit back and let my trades play out. Now that is what we like to see. GOLD still moving up 2.16%, and I am up 16% on the day, or about $1,000. You can see here, $875. Let's see if we can get filled on 7 contracts at 7.55. Looks like we're not getting that fill, so let's just go in 7.65. We'll send this through. I've said this before, don't sweat the entries, guys. Just get in the trade. I've never made money sweating an entry. So there we go, lock that in. Currently, now we are in 4 positions. I'm gonna send this over to my watch list so we can keep an eye on it, and we'll see how that goes. So there we go. We're currently up 0.33%. Gold, we're up 2.58. BX, we're up 3.44, and we're down 5% on ALAB. So 5,000 on each position, which means we're in with a total of $20,000 across the board. Gold's up 17%. Exciting to see. $1,000 on the day, so we're at a little over $1,000 on the day, and it's 10 a.m. so I can't complain. Check this out, guys. Also entered an Apple long, got in around here. You can see I'm currently up 14%, equivalent to $800. My entry was at, you can see here, 10.11, and you can see the exact contracts I bought on my broker connected real-time data. This is the current time 10:30. Current time is 10:36. Okay, so amazing entry, super excited, great day so far. About $1,600 on the day. Actually recording this all live for the YouTube video as well. So I'll show you guys here. You can see my market value overall totals is $23,500. That is how much capital I currently have across all of these positions. And you can see the capital per position there. I'm currently down 10%. I'm gonna let this thing go. We're gonna head over to trade. I will be taking around a $500 loss on this position. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna create closing order, and we're gonna see if we can get filled. Obviously at 12:20, if we don't get filled, I'll send in another limit order, but gonna have to just cut this one. I've seen time and time again, traders finding it very easy to take their profit fast. However, when it comes to their losses, they let their losses bleed out. Kind of a rule of thumb, always have a fixed stop. Have a stop in place no matter what. I'm gonna go ahead with another limit order here. There we go. We did end up taking a loss on ticker symbol ALAB. Gonna log that in my trading journal. Okay, so here you can see I did take a loss, $658, equivalent to 12% on ticker symbol ALAB. I got that logged inside my journal. Just want to show you guys, provide that transparency, which I'm happy to do so.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh.
This is my new Audi Q5. This is my daily. It's 2024. I just picked this up, and I don't know why they include these, because without a plate on the front, it looks way better. And I mean, I honestly love this car. It's funny, I've had Range Rover, G-Wagon, just to name a couple of my dailies, and you would think because of the price on those that it would be a more comfortable driving experience. However, I'm gonna be honest, maybe it's just because it's brand new, but this thing is the most comfortable car from a daily perspective that I've ever had. Like I was saying in the last vlog, I've just been enjoying my life, but now I want to share a bit of it with you guys. You guys know I had to get a radar detector in this car as well. So I've got one in the Porsche. Not as fast as the Porsche, but it's fast. This thing is a lifesaver. It saved me hundreds of dollars in speeding tickets. Something I keep coming back to in life is like finding balance, and I was filming a lot, vlogging a lot, showing my life, and I got sick of it, got tired of it, got burnt out, and then I started filming these educational videos where I'm just sitting at my desk, and that's all the content's been for the last 4 months, and I forgot how much I enjoyed doing this, and I think that just like goes for anything in life. You need to find that balance, you need to find the in-between. Even today, like I said, I want to work out, but I also worked out the last 4 days in a row, so maybe today is just a rest day. So you got to find balance in anything, but I hope you guys will enjoy the mix of content style on the channel, and I hope you'll come back and watch for, you know, to see what happens in these vlogs, and come and tune into the tutorials as well. So I don't know, I'm just gonna take you guys along and we'll see how it goes.
Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning.
All right, now this thing is looking better. I forgot to mention, this is the black badge package, so it's all blacked out, which I really liked about this. You can see like the black Audi badge. Anyway, it's a nice daily. Funny enough, I'm running into the bookstore right now. That's right, the bookstore, because I'm trying to get into reading a bit and see if I can find anything. I didn't know this was actually a real book. That is hilarious. I'm sure I could like prove every page in this totally wrong. Knowledge. As Ty Lopez says, I think this is a good goal for me to read 1 book a month. So I don't know, we'll see. Warren Buffett, okay, The Warren Buffett Way. Good to Great, been recommended this book several times. How to Win Friends and Influence People, Way of the Wolf, Jordan Belfer, Intelligent Investor. Honestly, I've heard everyone, you know, in trading said they've read this book, so I want to see if it's, you know, got any substance or not. I'm not really excited about reading it, and then I'm just curious what is being taught to everyone out there in books like this. That's the only reason I got this. And then Patrick Bet-David. I've heard this book's pretty good as well. I honestly haven't been able to sit and read a book. You know, I've probably read 1 book in the last 5 years, so this is definitely gonna be a challenge for me, but I wanna start learning more and trying to grow more as a person, you know, especially outside of just trading. I'm learning more, I'm trading all the time, and so I really wanna try to expand my horizon kind of into business as well. So we'll see how that goes, but like Ty Lopez says, knowledge. All right, so I got my haircut, and this is just trying to salvage what the last barber did to my hair. Absolutely ruined my hair. Been trying to let it grow out. Semi-fixed it, but it's gonna need a couple more weeks to grow out on the top. Anyway, that doesn't matter. The market is closed. It's 6 o'clock, and I just want to update you guys on the positions that I was in, kind of where we're at. So I'll open my broker here, and I'll update you on those 3 trades that we were monitoring this morning. First one being ticker symbol GOLD. You can see we did close the day in the green, up 9%, okay? 500 bucks, so that's not bad. Next, ticker symbol BX, we also closed today in the green, but only up 3.3%, so we're up 200 bucks on the open. So that's about $700-800 bucks on the day between those two. And then finally, my Apple trade. Unfortunately, Apple did end up selling off a lot. As you can see here, heading into the close, we ended up selling off, and I did close the day down at $260, equivalent to 4.9%. So overall, very, very small green day with my current P&L open, but a red day overall because I did end up closing out of that trade this morning for a $600 loss. So all in all, virtually flat. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So you guys will have to come back for the next video. And I also got a new computer, and so I'll open that in the next video as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.